They're so angry. It explains everything, doesn't it? Are we gonna get redemption to go alongside Pika Pika? I think we do. I don't know what it should be, but I think we must. That said, unlike with Pika Pika, I don't know how long like this is gonna last. So we go till it dies. It will never die. Mewtwo is perfect as Mewtwo is. Mewtwo is as Mewtwo does. The one downside is that like the best is like watching as it scooches along the table, but the table has to be clean. So we won't have this redemption always available because I don't know if you've noticed, this table is usually not clean. So yeah, we gotta be careful. Undercooked Mewtwo. We can do a limited like one per stream. Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, he's angry. He lost his purple. Ha! It's just everything changed. He doesn't like it now. It gets a little messy here. Raw chicken. Okay, well, not that messy, thankfully. That would be wild if there was, no. I would like to never cook chicken on the cupcake decks. I would like to never have to do that. There's a tiny bit more white sugar. Folks, welcome. I haven't said what we're doing in a hot minute. We are doing a little throwback to my very first Pokemon game, and we are turning the minigame from Pokemon Stadium, Ekans Hoop Hurl, into a little snack. We're not going super fancy, super crazy. I gotta be honest, I am super tired. Pokemon Day weekend has been a lot of fun. I have had a great time, but I kind of burned myself out a little bit. So we are going at whatever pace. We're gonna do what we can tonight and just have a good time and also try to end at a reasonable time. I'm aiming for before midnight. We'll see. We'll see. Have fun with your mutiness. What was that? with your mini games. Thank you, Professor. I pop off, gotta drive somewhere. Bye, Professor. Thanks so much for stopping by. Y'all, I haven't said it yet this stream, but Professor Rosemary makes incredible Pokemon food. He did something really, really cool with one of the Pokemon 30th anniversary logos. You should go check it out. Thanks. Bye, Professor Rosemary. Thanks for stopping by. I saw the long LED screen Pokemon at Shinjuku, and it's amazing. I'll bet with all the Pokemon 30 logos. I got fired up for the Switch. Why IDK? And it's my 350th reset for a shiny Charmander. Good luck, Mirai Usagi. I wish all the luck to all the shiny hunters out there. Couldn't be me. Could not be me. I don't have that dog in me, y'all. I can't do it. Ooh, Sphinx cats always look raw. Yes they do. Yes they do. Oh, I took a photo of the instructions because I can't read that. I should look and see what we gotta do. Yay, my dad's home. Welcome home. Yay. Go, Dad. That is not what I was trying to check on my phone. But I am glad. I took a picture of this. Where's the description? Heat the oven to 375, unroll the dough, and then from there we are on our own a little bit. The Pokemon flashed by so fast I had to wait a while to get back to the Pokemon I wanted to take a pic of. Oh, nice. There's a loose thread. What? What do you mean an axolotl vein? Like I said before, I'm unemployed and nostalgic. This is the cross I must carry. I love it. Heck yeah. I understand. What am I doing? Turning on the oven. Wow, I am so awake. 375, which is unusual, but we're going for it. Okay. Gonna wash my hands. Yeah. I don't know what loose thread we're talking about. I assumed it was an actual loose thread. I don't know if that's what we were discussing or not. Was it on YouTube? I don't know. I may never know. I'm looking for a rolling pin though. Rolling pin! Rolling pin! Yay. Alright, so ostensibly you're supposed to do like the smacking thing with this, which I don't like. Do not freeze, keep refrigerated. Well, you know. Okay, so if this is like all the ones I see on the internet, then theoretically, which part of your hand are you supposed to use if you're doing like a karate chop? I think it's like this part. If I can like That can't be right. How am I supposed to do this? I could do this. Okay, well that's not it. I guess I'm supposed to take the top off. Nothing happened. Okay, yeah, definitely it's with you, like some part of your hand itself, but I don't think I did it correct. Am I supposed to, what am I supposed to do here? It wasn't in the instructions, was it? Was it in the instructions? Am I supposed to know how to open this? I don't know. There's just ingredients and then, wait a second. Is that instructions? Yes, it looks like instructions. I can figure this out. I'm an adult, probably. A timeless